solve cos x minus x into cos y into dy minus sin y plus y into sin x dx is equal to 0. See, solution. First of all, write down the given differential equation, that is cos x minus x cos y into dy minus sin y plus y sin x into dx is equal to 0. Now compare with exact differential equation. Exact differential equation form is, that is m x comma y dx plus n of x comma y dy is equal to 0. See, m of x comma y dx plus n of x comma y dx is equal to 0. See here, always x derivative coefficient is m. Here x derivative coefficient is this value. So compare these two. M is equal to, here we have negative of x dx, x derivative value is sin y plus y sin x, sin y plus y sin x, and y derivative coefficient is n. Here y derivative coefficient is cos x minus x cos y. So n is equal to cos x minus x cos y. See here, from these two we need to find del m by del y and del n by del x. So here m is equal to negative of sin y plus y sin x, and n is equal to cos x minus x cos y. So here m value is equal to negative sin y minus into plus minus y sin x. Here partially differentiate with respect to, here is y on both sides, that is equal to, so del m by del y, some people may pronounce it, this is dou m by dou y is equal to dou by dou y of minus sin y minus y sin, see here, minus y sin x. How you split the partial differentiation, that is equal to dou by dou y of, here negative value is, so negative dou by dou y of sin y, negative dou by dou y of second value is y into sin x, that is equal to, this is equal to dou m by dou y is equal to negative dou by dou y of sin y is cos y, negative, see here derivative is y and variable is x. See, this is partial differentiation, so sin x is constant, so take it outside, sin x into dou by dou y of remaining value is y, that is equal to del m by del y or dou m by dou y is equal to negative cos y minus sin x, del by del y of y value is 1, so this is negative cos y minus negative sin x. Since del by del y of sin y is equal to cos y, as it is del by del y of y value is equal to 1. So as it is, here we need to find del n by del x. So partially differentiate n value with respect to x on both sides. So first of all, write down n value. N value is n is equal to n value is cos x minus x cos y. Cos x minus x cos y. Here partially differentiate with respect to x on both sides, that is equal to del n by del x is equal to LHS side is over. Now apply RHS side. Del by del x of cos x minus x cos y, that is equal to del n by del x is equal to, split the partial differentiation, first one and second one, that is equal to del by del x of cos x minus del by del x of x into cos y, that is equal to del n by del x is equal to del by del x of cos x is negative sin x minus, here derivative is x and variable is y. See, this derivative is partial derivative, so this is x, here is y, so we can treat this y as constant, so take it outside. Cos y into del by del x into x, that is equal to del n by del x is equal to negative sin x minus negative cos x. Del by del x of x value is 1. Since del by del x of cos x value is negative sin x, as it is del by del x of x value is 1. So this is del n by del x value and this is del m by del y value. So let's see here. Del m by del y value is negative cos y minus negative sin x. Therefore del m by del y is equal to del n by del x. See, del m by del y value is negative cos y minus negative sin x, which is equal to del n by del x value is also negative sin x minus negative cos x. Both sides are equal, so this is called exact differential equation. So now the formula is integral of m dx. Here y is equal to constant plus integral of n dy. Here term x is not containing x, term not containing x or not containing x terms is equal to, see, this is the formula. Here del m by del y is equal to del n by del x is, both are equal, so this is exact differential equation. Now the formula is integral of m dx. Here we can treat y as constant plus integral of n dy. Here x term not containing x term is equal to 0. See, integral m dx, m value is, see, from here m value is negative sin y plus y sin x. First of all, write down here m value. M is equal to negative sin y plus y sin x. This is the m value. The next n value, n is equal to, n value is cos x minus x cos y. cos x minus x cos y. Substitute in the formula. See, observe the formula here. Formula is integral of m dx. Integral of m dx. M value. Here we can treat y as constant. So directly you can write minus sin y plus y sin x whole into dx plus integral of n dy. Here we can not containing x term. Here if you observe, this is the x term, this is also x term, so this total is 0. Dx is equal to dy is equal to c, that is equal to minus is common, integral of sin y plus y sin x into dx plus is equal to 0 because integral of 0 is 0, so this is equal to c. The next, that is equal to minus, see here in m y is constant, so this is the constant, so take it outside. Negative sin y constant integral of 1 dx plus c minus into plus minus integral of, here also y we can treat constant, so taking common, integral of sin x dx is equal to c, that is equal to negative sin y into integral of 1 dx is x negative y into integral of sin x dx is negative cos x is equal to c, that is equal to c. This is negative x into sin y minus into minus plus y cos x is equal to c. See, we can rewrite this as y cos x minus x sin y is equal to 0 is the solution of the given question. See, let's see the question once again. The question is solve cos x minus x cos y dy minus sin y plus y sin x dx is equal to 0. So first of all, write down the given question as it is. Now compare with the exact differential equation form is m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. See here, always x derivative coefficient is m. If we compare these two, here x derivative value is negative of sin y plus y sin x, so this is the m value. As it is, y derivative value coefficient always n. Here y derivative coefficient is cos x minus cos y, so cos x minus cos y. Now from this we need to find del m by del y and del n by del x. See here, first of all write down the m value. M value is multiply with the minus, so minus minus, partially differentiate with respect to y on both sides. Del m, this is the left hand side, del m by del y is equal to del by del y of negative sin y minus negative sin y into sin y. Split the partial differentiation, negative of del by del y of sin y minus del by del y of y sin x. See, this is partial differentiation. In partial differentiation, derivative is y, variable is x, so we can treat another variable as absolutely constant, so taking common sin x, del by del y y. Here del by del y of sin y is cos y, it has negative value, therefore del m by del y is equal to negative cos y minus negative sin y. Since we know that del by del y of sin y is equal to cos y, del by del y of y value is 1. The next second value is n is equal to cos x minus x cos y. Here also partially differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Del n by del x is equal to del by del x of cos x minus x cos y. Split the partial differentiation. So del by del x of cos x is negative sin x minus. Here also partial derivative is x. This is the y variable, quite different. So taking common cos y, del by del x of x is 1. So del n by del y value is negative sin x minus cos y You know that del by del x of cos x is negative sin x, del by del x of x value is 1. Next, so del m by del y is equal to del n by del x, both are equal, so this is called exact. Now formula is integral of m dx, here we can treat y as constant, plus integral of n dy, here term not containing x values, which is equal to 0. So let's see here, m value, this is m value. Observe the n value, in n value we have x term, but in the formula here not containing x term, this contain x terms, so we can treat it is 0. The remaining is integral of m dx. So split the integral, first one, second one. See, the negative has both values, so split the negatives, first one and second one also. So we can write here negative, that is equal to integral of, here we can treat y as constant, so negative sin y integral of 1 dy, negative, here y is constant, so take it outside, y into integral of sin x dx is equal to c. So integral of x is, integral of 1 dx is x, negative, integral of sin x is minus cos x. So now x in negative, x into sin y, minus into minus plus, y into cos y. We can rewrite this as y cos x minus x into sin y is equal to c. See, 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2 is same. So this is the answer.